Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Car DVR Dash Cam. A 139.3ch can record the road ahead, cabin interior, and road behind simultaneously. Quad HD plus Full HD resolutions with Sony Star-Vis sensor capture super clear images, giving all-round protection. Car Jump Starter. Large power capacity, durable power supply. Actual measurement shows that the Crown 3.0L naturally aspirated car can be started more than 40 times when fully charged. Easy startup even under low temperature. Car rear mirror camera. This device comes with two wide-angle cameras and can for the front and rear of your vehicle. The two HD cameras can record simultaneously, automatically capturing every fleeting moment. When the car in reverse gear, this Car DVR will automatically switch to the backup camera image view with parking line. Built-in Wi-Fi enables you stay connected on the go and fast web browsing. GPS map, movie, music and applications. CarPlay Android Box. Master-slave dual Bluetooth. Master Bluetooth. Complete mobile phone side Bluetooth protocol stack. Support to connect to various Bluetooth devices, such as Bluetooth OBD, Bluetooth HID input devices from Bluetooth device. The MiFi, mobile Wi-Fi, function can be used as a mobile Wi-Fi router to provide Wi-Fi hotspots for other network devices. The navigation system supports GPS, GLONASS and beta systems. Comes with 2G divided by 3G divided by 4G network support. Insert the local operator SIM. Car vacuum cleaner. New equipment, mini and portable. Compact and delicate. Strong suction. Suction and blow. Long-lasting battery life. Easy to deal with all kinds of garbage. Wireless handheld, convenient to use. Car interior light. 3 styles of light. Press and release the switch to switch 3 modes. LED light source. Lithium battery. Push on, off button. Magnetic adsorption. USB charging. Easy to install. Double-sided adhesive iron sheet and 0.5 kilograms suction magnet. CarPlay Android for BMW. Original car wire plug and play. No cutting wire. No breaking wire. Non-destructive. Wireless Apple CarPlay. EQ adjustable with best audio quality. Android phone mirror link. Support aftermarket rear view. USB play music, video. Anti-slip snow chains. This anti-skid snow chain is designed for car safety. The processed rough surface increases the friction between car and road. It protects the car tire from slippage and ensures safe and stable driving. Android Car Radio. Main features are Android 9.1 for core CPU, HD screen, Wi-Fi, expand application, microphone, Bluetooth, FM radio, navigation. Built-in navigation downloads global maps, GPS, and satellite signals for precise positioning. Leather car seat. This cushion is a 5-seat cushion, suitable for more than 90% of models. One-stop luxury matching, deluxe edition with steering wheel headrest pillow. Give you 2 choices, layout according to interior tone of mainstream models. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.